Thanks for meeting us.
Yeah, happy to. I love this place.
I mean, this can't be beat, right? What is it, midday, outside, beers? Perfect.
I think it's a good lunch break. We just came from the Truett homestead where Frank works, and showed me some of those Schell Brothers homes over there.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful.
They really look nice inside. The open floor plans, a lot of light, definitely like a modern style house.
Oh, absolutely. And we were just talking about it, right? How unique Truett is, and it provides a unique opportunity to be that close, you know, to downtown Rehoboth at that price point, because it actually has a unique lending scenario, which is kind of your expertise.
Yeah, so they're on land leases, which a lot of people hear that word and get a little fearful, but it's so common down here. There's just certain qualifications that you have to meet. It doesn't matter if you're getting a conforming loan or a jumbo loan. You look at the terms of the lease, and basically you're making sure the term of the lease exceeds the term of the loan by at least 5 years or more. That's quite simply it. But I do hear people say they're scared of it, and I just try and reassure them it's so common down here.
Eric, have you helped anybody get in there yet? Like,
I have actually.
Financing there?
We have I have my first closing coming up at the end of this month. I alluded to before conforming loans and jumbo loans and how they both work with land leases. So conforming loan is anything $453,000, $453,100. Don't know where they came up with the weird number. So $453,100 or less, above that is considered a jumbo loan. So my buyer's actually taking out a jumbo loan. We're able to go up to 85%. A lot of people don't realize that. It is his primary residence, but he only has to put down 15%, and he's got no mortgage insurance, so it's a killer deal. Even if he was purchasing it as a second home, which you guys know so many of our buyers do down here, 20% down is the norm if it's a second home. So there's a lot of options out there for a condo on lease land above that conforming loan limit. So many people I don't think realize that. If you're below that conforming loan limit of $453,100 and it's a second home, all you have to put down is 10%. So that's a surprise to a lot of people when purchasing a second home. They think the down payment needs to be larger, and it's not the case. So
that's good. I appreciate you clarifying that. And
I'll tell you, actually, Eric is actually a part of our process. So whether we're in Truett or any Schell Brothers community, you know, everything is always contingent upon financing. And education is the biggest part, the biggest ease of mind, you know. So in our process, one of the first things we do with our, you know, people who are looking to purchase homes is we refer them directly to Eric and you know, like Waterstone.
That's the same with my process as well. You know, you need that assurance that you can make it happen before you fall in love with the property. I've actually just been helping a buyer that couldn't quite get into downtown Rehoboth, but they wanted to be close to the beach. And we started looking at a lot of places that were just like 5 minutes outside of town here. A lot of those options are condominiums and townhomes. What's it like financing those here?
It's a little different, but nothing scary. Good entry point for a lot of second home buyers or even primary residence buyers, because the price point's a little lower. Here in Delaware, we have a set of documents that the buyer gets after signing their contract, and it basically shows them the health of the homeowners association to make sure that there's not regret.
How much is in the reserves, what the community.
Exactly. No, it's a great option for people looking to purchase that can't afford in-town Rehoboth.
That's good. Yeah, it's good to have a guy like you in your corner in the real estate process.
Yeah, we get excited about people coming here. You know, they're coming to our backyard. I want people to come here.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that, bud.
I appreciate you dropping some knowledge on us over this nice lunch here at Dogfish. Let's eat some food.
Let's do it.
Schell Brothers brings happiness to homeowners by creating exceptional homes and providing an extraordinary buying experience. If you're interested in living in the Truett homestead or a Schell-built home, contact me today.